What's up guys, welcome back to the new video, and today it's time for us to watch another episode of How Not to Drive. And also you can submit your videos, everything you need to know is down below in the description. And now with that said, buckle up, we are taking off. Alrighty, let's see what's cooking here. Whoa, 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 whoa. It looks like someone here is a little bit confused, I must say. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And definitely he or she can tell the difference between gas and brake pedal. I don't even know how these people are allowed to drive, but whatever. We are now in London. Oh, bloody hell. I thought that black car is gonna mess up or something, but nope. That tree decided it's perfect time to collapse. It was like, timber! Oh, oops. I spy, with my little eye, a phone user. And the same person is like, I can text and drive, blah blah blah, and the next thing you know, she or he rear-ends someone. Damn. Whoa! Just like this guy here. Why would you rear-end someone if you're not distracted? Simple as that. Don't pull out, don't pull out. That's what she said, by the way. Whoa! Oh, dearie me, he almost ended up in someone's living room. Imagine you're having a dinner and then, BAM! Suddenly car smashes through the window. Whoa! What the hell was that? That was full-sanded, damn. And by the looks of it, she's somewhere in space, lost, floating around. Whoa! Well, that was awkward. Very strange crash indeed. I'm assuming something went wrong with the brakes on that bus. There's no other explanation for that. Whoa, 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 ho, ho! Damn, boss! Some Americans can't turn left just like Russians. That guy wanted to match Russians in terms of ability to turn left, you know what I mean, but he failed. I think no one can beat Russians in that discipline. They're the best in the field. Oh, oh, hold it, keep it on the road. Oh, that was close. And she's like, yo bro, did you see that? That was my first 360 180 reverse entry. Oh, taxi driver, that was so stupid, cutting corner like that. And it's also very dangerous as well, but what else can you expect from them? They do this all the time. Whoa! Oh, there we go. Russians and their ability to turn left. There you go. Actually, that guy made a couple of mistakes. First one was he turned left unsafely, that's obvious. And the second one was he stopped in the middle of a road. That's literally the worst thing you can do in that situation. But on the other hand, if you do something like that, it's already too late and there's no turning back. But maybe, just maybe, if you keep going and don't stop, you will avoid a collision. So there you go, consider this a small tip from me. So moving on to America, I see some stripes on the hood. That's promising. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, damn. That's a nice whip you've got there, boy. That nice whip was Dodge Challenger, I think. I don't know what version of it. Oh, really?
Are you serious?
Yeah, exactly. Are you serious, bro? That was... I don't know how to describe it. This guy here stopped in a really dangerous place. Move, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa! The hell was that? Oh, the police is here, that's good. That guy must be running away from them. Who knows? Oh, a round of applause for this guy. Nice job, Corvette, way to go. I don't know, some people when they turn on indicator they think they can go, but you're just letting people know what you're gonna do, nothing else. Holy cow! What the hell is this guy doing? There's no indicator for this. And just like that, no electricity for the whole street, because F you. Whoa, 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 what the hell? What the hell was that guy trying to do? Turning left from the... turning right from the left lane is never a good idea. It's a big no-no. Whoa, 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 oh, it's a rollover. Was it worth it, bro? Was it? He pit maneuvered the guy just to get in the lane, just to not miss his exit. It's unbelievable, some people are out of this world. A ovo me ovde fale daske, vidim ja, I to odavno, čim neće da veže teret. Ali dobro, ajde, we're moving on. Here's a challenge for you guys. What did I just say? Write your guesses in the comment section. Alrighty, let's see here. Whoa, 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 oh my god, this was a pretty stupid move, I must say. And that's exactly why aliens don't want to visit us. Whoa! Holy moly! And actually this brings up one big question, and this is mostly the question for American viewers. Why in America people crash into stores so often? In Europe that's a rare sight, and of course it happens from time to time, but it's not, you know, that major as far as I know, so please explain it to me. And well, I know a couple of possible reasons, but I want to hear from you guys. So let's move on now. Interesting. Verrazzano flurring. That was my spaghetti noises. Oh, look at that! What a machine! Yellow beast! Oh, damn. So many people in today's video who don't know how to turn left for some reason. Whoa, damn, what did he hit? What's that? I can't tell for sure, but doesn't matter, let's move on. No stop signs, speed limits, nobody's gonna stop us now. Oh, whoa, 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 oh! Whoa, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Oh, that guy with the dash cam was so lucky, and he reacted very good. So, luck plus skill equals happy days. Not for this guy, obviously. Whoa, hello there. Oh, that guy played a little bit too much Mario Kart. It's a me, Mario. And now, with the jokes aside, I have a quick tip for you. Always keep your distance much bigger than usual between you and the truck in front, because stuff like this, and because you never know what will fly off and you will pay the price because some lazy idiot didn't secure the stuff in a truck, so keep that in mind. And now, guys, I want to show you how retarded are some people in my country, and this picture here speaks more than 1,000 words. I mean, just look at it. Parking spots are marked on the ground and on the sign, and they still decided to park on a sidewalk. Brilliant. Basically, their genius knows no bounds. I don't know what else to say. Alright, let's see what we have here. The guy in a white van is like, you want some free candy, huh? Whoa, damn, that was a biggie. And how many left turn failures did we have so far in today's video? 500 or 1,000 maybe? I don't know, I lost count long ago. Whoa, hold your horses, bro. Whoa! Oh! Nice camo though, at least there's something nice in this video. And that, if you didn't know, was a new drift button on Lada. That's a brand new feature on their car, so I guess you didn't know. Oh, that's one very interesting way to transport your bikes. I don't even know if that's legal or not. Oh! It doesn't matter now. Now it's all gone and ruined. And please tell me he's not gonna run away. Oh, now we'll never know, I guess. What? Wait, oh! He fell asleep, or maybe he was just a douche who wanted to turn right. Like in, you know what. I don't want to say that word right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, that wasn't so bad, was it? Oh, the wheel's gone. No, 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 no. Oh, oof, luckily that wheel didn't bounce and hit the windshield. In that case, everything would have been much worse. Please tell me he's not gonna do what I think he's gonna do. No, 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 no. Oh, again? Come on, guys. Come on. This is getting ridiculous right now. And on that note, ladies and gents, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And for the next video, I'll try my best to make How Not to Drive Indian Edition, but we'll see how that goes. Don't take my word for it. So anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already, of course. Leave a like and a comment, that's always appreciated. And yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye, ciao.